Children, we completed practical geometry exercise questions. Now we are doing little bit revision from the same chapter, practical geometry. Identify those which cannot be constructed and say why you cannot construct them. Construct the rest of the triangle. If you are able to construct, you have to construction we have to do. If you are not able to do the construction, you have to tell the reason. So the first question, in triangle ABC, measurement of angle A equal to 85 degree and measurement of angle B equal to 115 degree and AB equal to 5 centimeter. So what is given in the question? Two angles and one side is given. Now what are the angle measurement here? Angle A equal to triangle ABC means we will have three angles. Which are the angles? Angle A, angle B and angle C. So angle A plus angle B itself, if we are taking 85 degree plus 115 degree. So what is the sum here? It is equal to it's equal to 200 degree. 200 degree is not possible in any triangle because we know that the angle sum property of the triangle must be equal to 180 degree only. So which is not equal to 180 degree. So what we can say, the sum of all the angles in any triangle is 180 degree. Here two angles sum itself equal to 200 degree. Therefore we cannot construct triangle in this case. Second question, construct a triangle PQR where M measurement of angle Q equal to 30 degree, measurement of R equal to 60 degree and QR equal to 5 centimeter. So we should do the rough diagram first, triangle PQR, then we'll get the idea of the constructions. PQR, angle Q 30 degree, angle R is equal to 60 degree, then QR equal to 5 centimeter. So we will have the two angles and one side only, the two angles and one side ASA criteria here. So we can do the construction of the triangle. So what will be the first step? To draw a line QR equal to 5 centimeter. Now at Q, what is the angle to be constructed? 30 degree. At R, what is the angle to be constructed? 60 degree. Both will intersect at P only. So we will get a PQR is the required triangle. The same only we have written the statement here. Draw a line segment QR equal to 5 centimeter. At Q, construct an angle XQR. That means little bit extension we should do here, and X I will mark. XQR equal to 30. At R, what is the angle to be constructed? Angle YRQ. YRQ equal to 60 degree. So both QX and RY intersect at P only. Then we will get which triangle? Required triangle PQR. So draw a line segment QR equal to 5 centimeter. So we can draw QR equal to 5. At Q, what is the angle to be constructed? 30 only, but at Y we have to construct angle 60 degrees. So at R we will finish first because it's a simple construction. So here we have drawn at convenient radius only one time. So we got a 60 degree. So we will join with a 60 degree. So this angle equal to 60 degree. Now what is the next step? Similarly, one more 60 degree we have to construct because we need 30 degree only. So at the first construction it is 60 only. So convenient radius to be taken. Again we have to bisect this 60 degree only. So small ray should be joined here. We should not make to meet the 60 and that angle 60 degree. Actually 60 degree to be bisected. So here more than half to be taken. So again first arc and from this side the second arc. Through this we have to draw. So here x and this we have marked as a y, so which will intersect at a P. So PQR is the required triangle. So this QR also I'll complete with the, okay, so we will got a triangle PQR is the required triangle. Already you know the construction very well. So what we have done, QR equal to 5 centimeter. Here 60 degree already we have written here. Now this angle, this much only 30 degree. Now here you know that it is 60 and 30 already 90 is over, so angle P will be 90 degree. If the construction is perfect, you will get angle P equal to 90 degree. So triangle PQR is the required triangle. In triangle LMN, angle L equal to 60 degree, angle N equal to 120 degree and LM equal to 5 centimeter. Same, the question is that whether we can construct a triangle. If it is able to construct, we have to do the construction. If it is not able to do the construction, justify the answer. So in triangle LMN, 2 angles measurement is given. So in triangle LMN, if you have taken, how many angles are possible? 3 angles. Which are they? Angle L, angle M and angle N. In that 2 angles value is given. Angle L equal to 60 and equal to 120. So angle L plus angle N equal to 60 plus 120. That means it's a straight line only, linear pair. So here it is equal to 180 degree. But 2 angles itself is forming 180 degrees. So what we can write, it is this, using this idea, using these values, we cannot construct a triangle. So again the same reason only. So we know that the sum of all the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Here 2 angles sum itself, sum is equal to 180 degree. So by given measurement, we cannot construct a triangle. So angles are given, you should cross check where the sum is equal to 180 degree. When the 3 angles value should be equal to 180 degree, then only we can do, otherwise we cannot. In triangle ABC, BC equal to 2 centimeter, AB equal to 4 centimeter and AC equal to 2 centimeter. So whether we are able to construct the triangle or not, that is the question. If we are drawing this diagram, rough diagram, what we can write, AB 2 centimeter, AB 4 centimeter, okay, AB 4 centimeter, BC 2 and AC 2 only. Like this we will get. Now we will check that. We learned in you have learned in a triangles chapter that for construction, for the sides of the triangle, for 3 values to be sides of the triangle, then the sum of the 2 sides must be greater than the third side. So we will write here AB equal to 4 centimeter, AC equal to 2 centimeter, BC equal to 2 centimeter. We will check now. What is AB plus AC? It is 6 centimeter, right? So AB and AC we have considered, so it must be greater than BC. That is just 2 centimeter only, right? So we can construct the triangle by using this criteria. This is the first criteria. Now what is the second criteria? AC and BC will be added. AC plus BC equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 is not greater than AB because AB is also equal to 4 centimeter. So here what is the criteria we got here? Sum of the length of the two sides is not greater than the third side. Sum of the length of the two sides is not greater than the third side. So we'll write here sum of the length of two sides is not greater than the third side. So what we can write here? What we can write? So by using the given measurement, we cannot construct a triangle. So when it is given for angles, you should cross check that some of the angles is crossing 180 degree. When it is given for the sides, we should cross check that some of the length of the two sides is greater than the third side or not. By if we are not getting the sum of the length of the two sides is not greater than the third side, then we cannot construct a triangle. So by the given measurement, we cannot construct a triangle. Now next question, in triangle DEF, DE equal to 4.5 centimeter, EF equal to 5.5 centimeter and DF equal to 4 centimeter. So we have to check again the same rule because verbally we have to check that one. 4 and 4 plus 4.5, it is 8.5 greater than 5.5. 4.5 and 5.5, what is the answer? 10 greater than 4. So again 5 and 4, 5.5 and 4, we'll write here, we should cross check here that 4 plus 4.5 greater than 5.5. Now 4.5 plus 5.5 is greater than 4. Again 5.5 plus 4 greater than 5.5 plus 4 is greater than 4.5. All the three sides came, just check that 5.5 means FE came, next FD came, next DE. So all the other two sides only we have taken. Now we got that all the three criteria, all the three sides it's satisfied. So sum of the length of the two sides is greater than the third side. So what we can do? We can construct a triangle. So just this part is the verbal checking only when the three sides were given. Now they have not asked, they have asked for justification when it is not able to construct. Here construction is possible. So as usual, now we can do the steps of construction. Draw D equal to 4.5. Now D as a center, what is the radius to be taken? 4 centimeter radius. E as a center, what is the radius to be taken? 5.5. So we have to draw the arc respectively. Both the arc will intersect at F only. Now DF and FE, we will get the required triangle DEF. So first a rough diagram, then steps of construction, means we have checked the rule whether it is possible to do the construction. Now what is the third step? Steps of construction. Third part is steps of construction. Now finally the fair construction we have to do. Draw D equal to 4.5 centimeter. 4.5. Now D as a center, what is the radius to be taken? 4. D as a center, radius 4 and E as a center 5.5. E as a center 5.5. So both will intersect. That point is called F. D, E, F. Now DF and FE. So when we are doing the steps of construction and exercise question, we have not verified using the sum of the length of the two sides. So that must be done when it is asked for the justification cases. So you just cross check that whether it is possible by using the criteria, that is sum of the length of the two sides are greater than the third side. Now we should write, once the construction is possible, we should write the measurement. So DE equal to 4.5 centimeter. Again here 5.5 centimeter. Then FD or DF, it is equal to 4 centimeter. Now we got a triangle here, and with the measurement 4.5, 5.5 and 4 centimeter. What is the name of the triangle? DEF. So once again the procedure, rough diagram, steps of construction. So what is the next step? That is the last step, that is the fair diagram. Once the diagram is completed, write the measurements given in the question. So DEF is the required triangle. With this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.